What's up, y'all? It's Uncle Dave. Guess what? It's Taco Tuesday somewhere, and it's actually Taco Tuesday tonight. And tonight we're going to be doing some easy, simple barbacoa. Now, my neighbors, Mike and Julie, they gave me 6 pounds of beef that's, I'm quite certain, came from their ranch. And I'm excited to give it a go, and I'm excited to share some good food with good neighbors. They've been great neighbors. They just sold their house. At least they're not going too far, but this one's for you guys. Really appreciate it. Thanks. As Uncle Tony would say, okay, man. Here we go. Shredded up beef. There we go. And I'm gonna put a little cilantro and a little bit of lime. You do you, whatever you like on your tacos. Sometimes I do cheese, sometimes I do a sour cream. Tonight, I just want to get a big old bite over here and watch me wake up my wife. It's going to be terrible. Mmm. 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 Bro, you'd be like, ah! Yep. Okay. It really is that simple, and you got your Taco Tuesday Barbacoa tacos ready to go. And remember, Uncle Dave says, it ain't rocket science, it's just damn good food. Adios, y'all.